Don't mind my messy background. I really do need to clean my room, so don't mind it. You do nothing here. So, I'm going to show you what book I got, and I would love for you to guys comment down below. Please let me know what book you should recommend, because I want to read something new. So right now I'm reading Wonder, and I am like this. That's how much I am. I almost finished, and I have I made this bookmark. I'm gonna show it to you. You know what? I might have to reread it because I don't really remember. Here's the bookmark I made from the Vampire Diary. Down here, The Hobbit. And I'm really excited to read it. And here's the other one. I love Lord of the Rings so much. And here's the other one. Okay. That's all I got. Well, of course, I have to get DVD player because I want to rewatch it. But I want to get a whole, every single one, every collection DVD player. I'm like juggling, putting it back. Okay, the next thing I got, it was really old because I was a child when my sister got this. I don't know how old I was, but oh my gosh, I was so young. Anyway, here my sister had these things to a kitten picture. I need to look it up and see what year that picture is because I want to know. Anyway, here's the book, Homecoming. I haven't read it yet. No, okay. I only read the first book I ever read, finished, that I remember. Is Same but Different. I love them. I love the book. Though, and I almost finished The Wonder, so I need to read more. But I'm starting to read more. The Homecoming. My mom got it for me. It kind of interesting. One. This one. And this one. The next one. Okay, I'm the type of person who love the movie. After I watch a movie or show, I have to get a book. I need to know about the book. It could be a lot different. Because, you know, the book only made first before show, so I wanted to see. So as you see, I got Lord of the Rings. I also got this one. I need to rewatch the movie because I don't remember it at all. Oh wait, I kind of remember, but I don't. The Fifth Wave. Yeah, you should check it out. And then, you know what? I probably should put them back. And next movie I watched is Harry Potter. So I'm gonna have to wanna know. I wanna read a book about it. So got the Harry Potter. I'm gonna move you because I'm gonna grab this book right there. It was right behind you. Okay. I love the book. I mean, I haven't read it. I love this show I met today. So I'm gonna have to get this book because why would I not? The 100. There are more. It keep coming. I gotta get them all. Oh, I'm so happy. Lovely. I got this book from thrift store. How amazing. Okay, the story about this book. I kind of want to get something scary because I want to go camping and just put flashlight on my face and read scary book. Because I don't know why. It's just seemed fun. So I'm gonna have to do it. I mean, I don't have to, but I want to. I don't know. I don't know about this book. It looks scary, so give it a try. And about this book, it's actually glow in the dark. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It also like okay, and I also about the book, I kind of theme, you know, I love theme but different, so I thought try something new, because I also reading the wonders, so I'm like, I read about this. It's like they don't really remember the hitting the head. I read it on the back, so I'm like, let's give it a try. So that's what I'm reading, so hopefully that's a good book. And then, oh my god, okay, I'm gonna love this. I have to show you. I don't have, okay, when I do a book haul, I don't have many books. I mean, I might have a lot, but not a lot, if that makes sense. Okay. Actually, I don't know. I don't have a lot in book because I don't read, but I'm starting to read, and this is why I almost finished. But I usually don't read, so I only have like a little bit book. I don't get book, and my sister have like a billion book. But now I got every show I love. I have to read it. I don't have to, but I want to. I get the Vampire Diary. It's my favorite show, though. Okay. Look at it. Look at that. More. Guys, wait for it. More coming. Oh my goodness. This is also from Thrift Store. I love Thrift Store. They're amazing. It's not done yet. It's not done. I got every single one. Well, maybe not every single one. I think there are more. I don't have 2 more. I'm keeping my eye out. Pretty cool. I can't believe they made so many. And big book. What did happen? I hope you guys enjoy me talking about my book and doing my diamond painting and showing you guys my firework from New Year. Okay, I love and with the E. I think this is a bit different because it's N of Green Gable. But I'm just letting you know. And with the E. The show is, I love them. Like, I rewatched it with my sister because, did I? No, I didn't. I rewatched it when I was house sitting at the farm. That's what I did. And this is actually pretty cute. It's very cute. What just happened there? I also got the book and I thought it kind of cute. My mom got this for me. So I need to know about life and Gil. No, that's the one. Life Gil. How cute is that? And that is all. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to recommend the book I should read. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye.